Hello friends. Welcome to Simple Mechatronics. Now LDR-based line follower, third inversion of slim board without using any microcontroller. Two number of LDRs are used here. The surface is sensitive to light falling on it and the resistance across the two leads changes accordingly. Two small transistors are used here as signal amplifiers for LDRs. Now, you may observe the varying resistance across the two leads of the LDR depending on the light falling on its surface. This is the circuit diagram of one set of LDR sensor module. The change in resistance of LDR due to light falling on its surface is amplified by the transistor and available as signal output. A suitable PCB is selected and planned to accommodate two such LDR sensor circuits on either side. This is the complete circuit diagram of LDR sensor board for LDR-based line follower. This is LDR sensor board made based on the circuit diagram. Mainly, the transistor, LDR, and trim pot. The white LEDs are placed near the LDRs in such a way that the light falls below the LDR's surface and reflects back. Here, the LDR sensor board is simplified with two pins for power supply and two pins for signal output. The two holes are used for fixing it. The two screws in front of the slim board is used for fixing the LDR sensor board, as shown here. Finally, two nuts are used for fixing the LDR sensor board properly. Adjust the sensor board or LDRs and LEDs to have sufficient clearance from ground. Connect signal pins to data pins and power supply pins to VCC and ground pins as shown in the circuit diagram. Now, the LDR-based line follower is ready. Now, switch on the power supply button. Then, test the LDR sensing by keeping a thick black line below each LDR. The motor on black line side must stop rotating. Adjust the trim pot if required for better response to black line. Now, make a black line path and test the LDR-based line follower. The line follower can move through smooth curves and obtuse angle turns, but cannot take turn at acute angle turns. Please press like button if you liked this video. Subscribe Simple Mechatronics for access to more projects. And share with your friends about Simple Mechatronics. Click the link here for making slim board base without using any microcontroller. Thanks for watching the video. More explanation and circuits are available at Simple Mechatronics website. Links for other projects are available at description below. Bye friends, see you in the next video.